We're about to nerd out and have some serious fun. Whether you are writing in your journal or writing a thank you note, using a good pen might be more important than you think. Just last month, Studio 5 contributor Mickey Eberhardt surprised our staff when she professed her love for a certain kind of pen on our Instagram page. Mickey declared her love for the Pilot Juice .38, saying, "There's no other pen I will use." Now that is true loyalty. Well, it turns out Mickey is not alone. There are quite a few people out there who like to geek out over pens, including my next guest who claims there is a best pen for every occasion. The wonderful Kristen Wright is here to share her list of top pen picks and the best use for each one. This cracks me up. Women are so passionate, and you're one of those women.
I am one of those women.
When did you become a pen connoisseur?
Okay, honestly, probably when I was in high school, junior high area. Like, I would take notes, but I realized that if I used a colored pen,
yes,
and it was like specific colors, yeah, I would remember what I was writing. It was kind of a memory thing, and then it kind of spiced up some of my classes that I thought were kind of boring. So
it made them more interesting. It made them more fun.
Adds a little spark to life. So
okay, you've got quite the collection.
I have a collection,
but you do believe, Kirsten, that every pen has a purpose.
Yes. Yeah. Absolutely.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Absolutely.
We're gonna jump in, and I'm gonna be your little doodler.
Okay.
Here as you talk. So this is your first love.
Yes. Okay. This is actually, we're starting off strong. Okay. So we got the Sharpie S Notes.
The Sharpie S Notes.
And they came out with these within the last few years, and they're just delicious and juicy, and I am totally a pen nerd. And juicy meaning they have lots of color flowing out of them.
Yeah, they're good.
Nobody likes a dry pen or marker.
Yeah.
So these are great. I use them on my planner. I use them on calendars.
Yep.
I use them, I mean, you can use all the things you would use for highlighting.
They've got that chisel tip, which is nice.
Beautiful. And the thing I like about it is the colors they have are really unique. And
yeah, they're softer.
I know. I don't like just the regular normal colors. You gotta have some interesting pastels and things like that.
And you like this for your planner?
Yes, look at all those fun colors.
Beautiful.
Yeah, so they're great.
This is like lovely to stare at.
I know, right?
It really is, yeah. Okay, what's next?
Okay, so now we got the Crayola Twistables, and I love these.
Let me see.
Because they are great for highlighting. I use them for scripture study.
Yeah.
You can use them for literally like textbooks if you own it and you're not planning on reselling it, don't tell.
Yeah.
Okay, but they're great for just highlighting of all sorts and just like a smooth transition and nice.
The margins of any book I read are always filled, and I always get embarrassed when I interview the author. I'm like, I hope they see this as a compliment because I'm a writer. I like to write what I'm thinking.
Well, and
this is lovely.
What I love about that, Brooke, is that it turns every book into an heirloom. Like if your notes are in there, your kids are going to find it, and I love that.
All right, Kirsten, what's next?
All right, the next one is a Stabilo .88 pen.
Stabilo?
Stabilo.
Well, this feels fancy.
Yes, and they even have mini ones, which mini anything is lovely.
Yeah.
And I love these. Once again, I love their color selection. It was really nice when pen companies came out with nice colors.
Oh, yeah.
So
light.
Yes, light.
Fine tip.
They have nice flow, and they're just really, really handy to have around, and they won't roll off your desk.
Good for?
Good for journaling, good for filling out books. A lot of people have released books where you can fill in the blank, and they're good for that. They're good for notes.
Attractive to me how
straight
those lines are.
I know, you have to use a little ruler, and I'm nerdy that way.
Listen, I'll meet you right there, sister. I'll meet you right there.
Awesome.
All right, what's this one?
Oh, these ones are so amazing. I don't know how I missed these until like the last couple of years.
What is this?
My sister-in-law showed these to me. It's a Pentel ENERGEL.
Okay.
And they're really nice. Do you remember when gel pens first came out?
Yeah.
And it's like you draw and then it'd be like, and like, yeah. It wouldn't work. It wouldn't be proper.
Suddenly pens have sound effects.
Yes, I know.
Well, we're going to regret this TV moment later, but in the moment we were feeling it.
Yeah, we were
together. Yeah, okay.
Okay, and they're nice for notes.
Oh, lovely.
And how many pen sets have a really nice brown? Like not very many.
Look at this. Hold on. Let me show this.
And a navy. You have the navy one.
The navy is lovely. So when you're writing thank you notes.
Yeah. It can match whatever you're doing.
I need some of these. The Pentel ENERGEL.
Pentel ENERGEL, and they're very smooth.
Because don't you hate when you go to write a thank you card and you write dear and it's all scratchy? You're like, ah!
Yeah.
See? There it is again.
Yeah.
All right, I'm getting me some of these.
Okay.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Okay, these are so great too.
What are these?
These are awesome. These are the Pilot G2 pens.
Oh.
And these are common. They've had them in common colors forever.
Right.
But then they released the opaque ones. They're kind of like opaque, and I don't even think they advertise them that way, but they're kind of like, you can't see through them when you write. And the pastels actually work and show up. So they're kind of like milky.
On your page.
Yeah.
What do you like using these for?
I like using those for, I like using these in my planner for journaling, but like when I really want to pop, I actually use these in my scripture study, and it just makes it exciting. I just love the pastels on these. So this fill in pastel-y
is exciting.
Yeah.
I love it. That's a good color.
Yes,
so the colorway, the color play is just as important.
Apparently the colors are really
Okay, what are these?
Okay, so these are the Tombow. These are the dual-sided pens, and these have a tip, a chisel tip on the end, which is fun.
Yes.
And these have a brush on the other end. So if you're doing like brush lettering, things like that, they're good for that.
We used to sell these at the scrapbook store back in the day, or versions of it.
100%.
I'm sure they've improved.
There's some fun colors, and this is Ronna Fair's book, and it's like really neat, like life quotes, and kind of teaches you how to design your life. And I love that she has like ways to do brush lettering, and they're positive words and
everything. If you're looking to be a brush letterer or a calligrapher, this might be a good.
Tombow is the one.
Tombow. All right. I'm loving this, Kirsten. I'm loving this.
Okay, this is great. These are LEPEN.
LEPEN. Yes.
And I love these for the container, but I also love that they have a lot of flow and a lot of color and a lot of really unique colors. So I like the container a lot. And I take these with me in my purse. I carry too many pens with me. It's weird.
How many do you carry at a time? Have we counted?
I don't know, like how many are in there?
I mean 10.
10?
Okay.
Maybe
my daughter
20.
got these, I think, for her birthday.
Oh, they're the best.
She loved them. Yeah, they were great. They were great. Okay, these look fancy.
These are really fun, and you would think that these would be on the desk of like a 4th grader.
Yeah.
But they're not.
No.
They're for women.
They're for grown-up 4th graders.
Grown-up 4th graders, yes. So these are from Packed Party. I love their brand. Their theme, everything has confetti in all their products, and their theme is carry confetti.
Packed Party.
Packed Party.
Carry confetti?
Carry confetti.
Yes.
I know, right?
Okay, you can find these. I think I've seen these at Paper Source.
Yes, they're at Paper Source, and you can find them at packedparty.com.
Because we all should be packing. We all should carry confetti.
And we'll talk about some of their other stuff in just a minute.
Yeah, with all of these pens, how are you storing these ladies?
So this is a lovely bamboo organizer. It's a Lazy Susan.
Pretty.
And it's fun because there's little dividers, you can take them out, and I just love that it holds all my pens at once.
Yes. Well, no, this is, as you pet it and turn it and stroke it. This is something, though, because I really do believe if you can formalize, let's say, your scripture study, we've referenced that, or whatever, book you're reading or you're journaling, if you can make, you just sit up straighter.
You want to make it exciting.
You put more into it.
And
all right.
Yeah.
Another way to carry confetti?
Okay, carry confetti, another Packed Party item. This, like all their products, they're really high quality. They have really nice zippers, which I appreciate, and they have all different sorts of things. So that's fun pen pouch. They even have this backpack. Once again, you would think it's for a 4th grader.
No, it's not.
It's for us.
It's for us.
It's a trap.
All right, and what's that cool toolbox?
Okay, and then these are I just love gathering interesting ways to, that you can have a little hand.
I love it.
But
I love it.
Little like ways to carry your pens, a cool box.
Where are you finding these?
This is from Toyo.
Okay.
And then this box is for art supplies, or if you have a gigantic pen collection or crafts or things that you want to carry with you. I will actually sometimes travel with this, just like I like to watercolor on the beach.
Sure. Oh,
I'm a nerd.
Dreamy. No, we love your kind of nerd. You're going to post links to all of these pens for us. Where can we find those?
So on Instagram at Kirsten Wright Co.
Okay, Kirsten Wright Co., a fellow nerd. It was so great to see you. It's been a minute. Love you. Thanks for sharing your passion. We'll link you over to her Instagram so you can just shop your pen.